One bright sunny day, a baby camel was sitting beside his mother in a large zoo. Around them were green trees, visitors walking by, and children laughing. But the baby camel felt a little confused. He looked at his mother with big curious eyes and asked, "Mother, can I ask you something?" His mother smiled warmly and said, "Of course, my dear. You can ask me anything." The baby camel thought for a moment and then asked, "Mother, why do we have these big humps on our backs?" His mother gently replied, "These humps store fat, which our bodies use as energy. This helps us survive for many days without food and water when we are traveling in the desert." The baby camel was amazed. He looked at his hump and said, "Wow, that's so useful." After a little while, he asked another question. "Mother, why do we have such long legs?" His mother answered patiently, "Our long legs help us walk easily on the soft, hot sand of the desert. They also keep our bodies away from the heat of the ground." The baby camel nodded, trying to understand everything. Then he noticed his mother's eyes and asked, "Mother, why do we have such long eyelashes?" His mother smiled and said, "Our long eyelashes protect our eyes from sand and dust during strong desert winds and storms." The baby camel looked thoughtful. He watched people walking around, eating ice cream, and taking pictures. After a short silence, he asked one more question. "Mother, why are our feet so big and wide?" His mother replied, "Our wide feet help us walk on the sand without sinking. They are like natural shoes made just for the desert." The baby camel became quiet. He looked at his body, then at his mother, and then around the zoo again. Finally, he asked in a soft voice, "Mother, we have humps for storing energy, long legs for walking on sand, long eyelashes for protection, and wide feet for the desert, but we are not in the desert." He paused and then asked, "Then why are we here in a zoo?" The mother camel looked at her baby and felt a little sad. She didn't know what to say. She gently placed her head close to her baby and said softly, "Sometimes, my child, we are not in the place where we truly belong. But one day, you will understand your strengths and find your right place in the world." The baby camel stayed close to his mother, thinking deeply. From that day on, he never forgot how special he was and hoped that one day he would see the vast desert his mother talked about. Moral of the story: everyone has special abilities. We should use them in the right place where they truly matter.